Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
It's right here. So this whole place is kind of a like social housing, low income. I think it's like you got all these tall buildings everywhere. We're gonna be walking by the police station to the one side, so I think that's from the Chinese New Year. And you also have some fresh fish there, lobster as well. Okay, this is called Rua de Tai Lin. This is a street right in the TAIPA area of Macau. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow our street down. But before we do, we'll just give you some context to where we're gonna start at. So we're gonna start up at the top up here and try to get some views because we're gonna be going all the way down that particular street. And before we even go down, we'll just kind of highlight this other street that we're at. But we're gonna get all better views of this in a moment because we're gonna be going up to the top up there and starting before we film, and then we're gonna go down and walk all the way down this particular street. So stay tuned for Rua de Tai Lin 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, so we're back. We're going to be going down this particular street right through TAIPA Central, so you can see all the tall buildings that are typical of TAIPA Central. And you can also see some stores down here, Daiso, the Japanese store. We're going to walk by a police station, I believe, and then way down at the end you can see like a Lotus Leaf building. That's actually in Hengqin, China side. It's across the waterway. And over on this side, I guess the best view we're going to get is we're going to just look down this before we go down our target street. But this one is Sun Yat-sen. This is in the northern direction. If you keep going down, you'll go over a bridge. It goes to the Macau side. And then over on this side, goes south. So that goes towards TAIPA Grande. There's a mountain right there. And lots of tall buildings all the way throughout here as well. So what we're going to do is go down our target street, which is down this way, and let's just go down this way. So we're going to follow this like this, and we're going to go down the escalator. You can see a parking garage right there to the side. You can see some buildings over there too. Okay. So the first thing you're going to see is all the motorcycles. And a Japanese restaurant. So this is a little overpass to go up and over Sun Yat-sen. And then we're going to walk down. And I think we're going to walk over by that, we'll go down this way. There's dim sum restaurant over there, Daiso restaurant. And we'll just go straight ahead. You'll basically have kind of interesting stuff on both sides. That one I think has Japanese foods. Try to see both sides. Daiso is over there. That's all the like a dollar store for Japanese goods. And then over here is seafood. So you can get hot pot and oysters, spicy. Got a little statue of Tudigon, Earth God. Then you can also see another god right there. That's like the god of war. I forget his name right now. Oh, then right now we're going to be going by the social housing. So this particular, that's kind of cool. Hair studio. So all the people hanging out here are part of the social housing. So we're gonna walk by them, and then we're also gonna go to the other side because this is kind of the center of that. So Hua de Thailand. And then we're gonna cross over this way. And then you see more of it over here. And the social housing, it's basically a lot of older people, and sometimes they're kind of loud, so there's some signs because they'll drink beer and hang out there. So there's part of Thailand. Let me see if I can see those signs. Yeah, here we go. So we're just gonna go up, take a look. It's right here. So this whole place is kind of a like social housing, low income. I think it's like a lot of older people would be in that space. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. Let's go down this way. The lights are just coming on as well. So we're gonna continue walking down this street, and let me just kind of give you a little context where we are. Down that way is El Theater Hotel and Skyway. There's a, let me just kind of capture it like that. So way down there you can see Morpheus Casino, that goes towards the Cotai Strip. And then this way over here, you can see a skyway that goes over the road. So that skyway connects to the, goes all the way to the light rail transit line. So you can actually follow that street and go all the way. Let me just kind of capture this whole scene. So you can take that light rail transit pathway called Skyway to the train line. And it'll follow that street that's one block away from us. Okay, so let me just kind of see Education Center. So we are some illegal parking going on there. Let me see. This is French fries, chicken wings, toast. Toast is very popular here. And that policeman, he's writing tickets for the illegal parking there. This is very popular. Barbie? Oh, and that's a slushie. So those are popular with kids, as you can imagine. Let's see what else we got here. Insurance, and then this one is a pig pork restaurant. Flower City parking. So Flower City is one block over, so that one is also in TAIPA Center as well. Now you got all these tall buildings everywhere. We're gonna be walking by the police station to the one side, so that goes down to Flower City. That is where we were just coming from. That's the Annex, University of Macau Annex, like a high school. And I think it's somehow connected to University of Macau. So we're gonna keep on going down this way. Okay. So I'm gonna come over here first. Then this one is a Paris store. Has all Parisian French things, like French wine, French snacks, French everything. So it's kind of cool. They got a few of them around. And that goes all the way down to Flower City in TAIPA. But I am going to continue, and we're gonna walk this direction. And we got kind of a, there's our target seat right there. We have a parking garage on one side and the police station on the other side. So we have a little stretch here that's a little bit not so interesting, but we'll see if we can make it interesting. I'm going to turn the camera off. Continue down the street. I just wanted to turn the camera off because we're going by the police station. But this is continuing down Tai Lin, and I'll come to the corner and then I'll continue where we left off, but you can still see our sign there, the Tai Lin. And then this one goes down to Flower City as well. And then way down there you can see the Kochai Strip. You can see a little bit of Londoner Casino, another school. Let me just kind of capture all that's around here. A couple guys hanging out in the middle of the street. They really should be on the sidewalk. I think they're trying to catch taxis. And then the police station would be down that way. And then we're going to go around this way. And I think they're waiting for taxis, so let me just see if they... But they're gonna walk right down the middle. That's pretty illegal, and it's right next to the police station too. Okay, there's a police walking the street right there. So now they're gonna get a taxi. They're from the mainland. And then you can see the Skyway directly down that way. Lots of tall buildings, continually still. So we're gonna cross over. Maxims. And I think I'm just going to, we're gonna continue down our street in a moment, which is just one block left. To the Tai Lin. You can see more tall buildings throughout this whole area. Little corridors that go all the way through TAIPA like that. That goes to Central Park, and we have Maxim's bakery as well. Let me just kind of come back like this. So these are kind of the breads that you can get here. It's kind of a fusion of stuff. You'll get like Portuguese breads, but then you'll also get kind of what I call like Asian bread, which has a little bit sweet, or they'll put like fillings kind of stuff in it sometimes. So it's kind of hit and miss what you get. This one is restaurant with pork chop bun, stuff like that. Okay, we're gonna keep on going down. Got poinsettias there. I think that's from the Chinese New Year. And you also have some fresh fish there, lobster as well. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down. And we're almost at the end of the street, so let's see, social education, social government office, basically. Okay, so we got one more block to go. One more stretch to go, I mean. And we will have completed the entire street. There's some fresh fruits, oranges. Here's a superstore. It's like frozen goods. Okay, so this is going to be the end of our street, but we're going to continue on a little bit further. So I'm just going to go across here real quick. Let me see, we'll go across like this, parking wrong. And I'm going to go up to the top up here, and then we're going to end our video. So let's go up this way. And then there's our whole street right there, Lode Tai Lin. So that's the one that we just walked on. You can see all the tall buildings everywhere as well. And yeah, we're right in this middle of TAIPA. And then now we're up on this a bunch of businesses, establishments in this area too. Okay, and on that note, we'll end it. Lode Tai Lin 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.